mo kí gbogbo wa nílé lóko àti ní ẹ̀yìn òdì. Mo lémi ìyálàjẹ náà rèé mọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ bá bọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Breaking news kan ni mo sáré fi wá tó wa létí. Ìyàwó Muiden nìyẹn Ìbùkún torí wọn ò tí ì divorce ìyàwó ẹ̀ náà la ṣì máa address ohun tìgbà tó bá tún wọn ká nílé ẹjọ́. Ó sọ wípé ẹjọ́ tó ń pe Muiden àti arábìnrin Olúṣọlá Yusuf àti Pópóọlá Oyèníkẹ́ ó lóun ò continue pẹ̀lú ẹjọ́ yẹn mọ́, ó ti discontinue, ó ti withdraw case yẹn kúrò ní court. Ó lóun ò bá wọn ṣẹjọ́ mọ́, ó nítorí pé òun fẹ́ yáfì wọn fọ́lọ́run, ó fẹ́ fà wọ́n lé kóòtù Ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́, ó ní òun fẹ́ ti ara wọn, òun fẹ́ fi sin Ọlọ́run. So ó ti withdraw case yẹn ká fi tó wa létí. Ẹ máa rí ìwé tó fi withdraw. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Ẹ ṣé o, thank you, congratulations Muiden, Ìbùkún, good move, God bless you.
Àròyé TV rèé, ẹ láìkì, ẹ subscribe, kẹ́ sì máa follow.
Òkè la wà téńté.
There are lots of people out there suffering from terrible diseases like ulcer, stroke, kidney problem, liver problem, and many more. Don't be one of them. Don't die in silence.
My brother, help me now. I beg, help me.
Aha! With ginger herbal extract, get rid of infection, cancer, myoma, asthma, arthritis, rheumatism, diabetes, UTI, and many more. Liver problem, kidney problem, back pain, pie, hepatitis, prostate, and lots more. Also have Hero antiseptic herbal soap for skin infection, ringworm, acne, eczema, sunburn, blackhead, and skin bleach. Ginger herbal extract is not some chemical cooked in the lab. It is 100% natural and with no side effects. Distributors, agents, and vendors are needed nationwide with lots of benefits. Ow! Order yours or register now.